Hey there, it's Sarah with Audio Video Charlotte. We're going to talk about the new 2022 Apple TV 4K. One of the biggest questions we get from our clients is, why do I need a streaming device? I have a smart TV. Well, let's just talk about that for a moment. A TV is just a TV, really. It's a monitor. And the processing power comes from the streaming device. So it is going to offer you the best picture and the best sound. So it's always a great idea to get a streaming device. And our favorite is the Apple TV 4K. So what's new with this new version? Well, there's been a lot of great updates. First of all, its features are overall way better than any other previous model. It's at a lower price point. It's smaller in size, has more storage. It has the A15 Bionic chip. It's better for the environment, has a better CPU performance, and faster graphics. So which Apple TV 4K do you need? Well, there are two versions. The first one is just Wi-Fi, and it's 64 gigs. The second one is Wi-Fi and Ethernet, and that one is 128 gigs. The great thing about that one is it's always a good idea to hardwire your devices to free up your Wi-Fi. If you're looking to buy an Apple 4K TV, you can always buy one right here from Audio Video Charlotte. We actually install these streaming devices in about 90% of our installs, and we actually show you how to use it. Choose Audio Video Charlotte for any Apple TV 4K needs. And if you have any more questions, check out our website at audiovideocharlotte.com. You can also find us on social media. And as always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.